What's going on, everybody? I am the Game Master, and welcome back to some more I Am Bread, continuing on the next two levels, rooms, which are which are the which are the garage, which is I'm on right now, and freaking up there. Oh, God, okay. So I was saying the garage and the garden. So yeah, right now I'm on the garage. So yep. And I do know that there's a lawnmower in here, like almost like right there. And I do not know how many attempts might take me, but I assure you right now it's good. Oh God! Ah! 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 Okay, I thought I fell off the box. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! Come on, bro. Oh my God! Come on, get off the box. Get off of this one. Here. Yeah, there we go. Drop like that, and then... There we go. Finally got on it. Okay. Okay, yep. Get up here. Get up here. I get this little flap. Oh, God. It catched me. It catched me. It catched me. Let's go. There we go. Ready? Yep. Do that. Go. Whoa. Whoa! Wait, what? Where the frick am I? Okay. Oh. Okay, there I am. Got this. Come on, man. Okay, just... Okay, we can get over those. I think I landed into one of them. Dang it, another one touched me. God dang it, man. Whoa! Okay, oh, okay, good. I landed on the lawnmower, that's good. Oh boy. Oh my God. Freaking get off of it. This piece of bread always gets stuck every time. Yes, come on, over there, Touch that, and then... What the freak? Come on, dude, get unstuck! I wish this piece of loaf would stop getting stuck every time. I'm just trying to get myself freed. There we go. Okay. Oh my God, oh my God. Come on. Oh, baby. No, don't touch the wall. Oh God. This is only one shot. Okay. Touch on it. No! Dang it, man! I was turning on the lawnmower so I could drive into the boxes and then I could just stay on it. But no, it had to go off. Well, it's fine. I just need to not touch the floor. It's alright. Because now since I'm stuck on the wall, I can now go like that. Over here. Whoa, touching tools here. And I don't even see the freaking jelly in here. There's like no jelly dream in here anymore. It's just trapped. And right now I'm getting touched with these little things here, which aren't really healthy for me. Okay. Oh God. Oh no! Ooh. Okay. Okay, get on the box. Come on, I'm stuck. No. Thank goodness there's like no group a gripping tool to show you how long it can only stay. Because otherwise, that would totally be the baddest thing on earth right now. I'm just saying, I mean, maybe not for you guys, but for me, it's total. That would be totally like a bad thing right now. Cause oh god, oh there go the boxes. Okay, that's fine. Actually, wait, how close am I to the lawnmower? Oh, yes. Okay, now it's only base unlocked. Here we go. Whoa! Yes, I'm in. Okay. Here we go. Yep, turn on that side. What are you doing? Stop bouncing, dude. Let's go! Okay, okay, never mind. I just got a D. It's alright. Okay, whoa. Where are the achievements? Well, I'll look up the achievements I want to get real quick. Okay, yep. What the freak? What the freak? Pull up the achievements, dude. Why is it not pulling up the achievements? Okay, wait. I need to see what the achievements are, because I don't even know, honestly. Oh, okay. These are previous achievements I've gotten a long time ago. Wait, no, wait. I got this one a few days ago. Turn on the hairdryer. Picky ear. Yep. Yeah, I want to look at the other achievements, though. Oh, here it is. Cool. Story dough. Got an A on a story level. Or plus A, if you get that. The end is Rye. All story levels. Re-encounter. I know I'm going to be getting this achievement because I need to... It's kind of easy. All I just need to do is complete the game when I make the last episode. Break the TV? No thank you. Fresh Slice. Finish a story level with 100 ability. No. Shadow of a Colossus. Climb atop the garage truck on story mode. All buttered up. Finish a story level with a both sides covered in butter. The bread baron. Stay aboard for over 5 seconds. Okay. To be honest with you guys, I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna have to get those achievements anytime soon. I will get the other achievement for completing the whole story mode. Anyway, here we go. Garden. Let's do this. Let's get it. I don't know if I'll get an achievement for this, but I don't care, man. It's all based on luck. Why the fuck does the bread and air keep freezing every time? I'm not sure why. Oh, there we go. It's working now. It's a little buffer issue. Whatever. Okay, yep. So this is the garden, right? Okay. It looks kind of nice. I can see little flowers here. Yeah. I figured out this strategy, guys. All you gotta do recently is just climb on this fence. The car heater is basically the only way you can become toast on this map. So basically, here's what you gotta do if you don't know what to do. Just climb on this fence here. Oh god, whoa. But you gotta make sure not to go up to the top, because then there's a wind, and it's gonna blow you. So you gotta stay down here, and then go for the right time. Like, basically, all you gotta do is, you just gotta go right. Like, hang on, like here. You guys see me right now? I'm going down. Because I don't want the wind to blow me. Yeah, but basically, you just gotta get the wind to blow you at the right time. Okay? Okay. Whoa. Go down. Go down! Wait, I think I have to let go, like, right away. Yes, there you go. There we go, got it, okay. Freaking touch it, dude. Touch that part. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Okay, we're at this part. I don't know if I'm at the right spot or not. I think I'm gonna have the wind below me. Yes, I landed. Okay, good. Get off. Oh, my ability's at 100%. Okay, okay, get away from that white stuff. Okay, yep, so I'm on here. Yes, good. Let's get this on my first shot, guys. Okay, get up. You got it. I got an A. I don't care. Is that it? Nope, this is the last one, patrol station, but we're not gonna do this one today, okay? Because I feel like if I just keep recording, it's gonna crash, and then I have to record the whole thing, which is gonna take me another day, actually. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm sorry if this was like a short episode, but yeah, this was another episode called "I Am Bread." We completed garden and garage. So on our first shot, actually, we never even died once on this episode. So yeah, I'm sorry this was like a short episode, but later tonight you will be expecting maybe some gameplays, like some Friday 13th gameplays, Cuphead gameplay, what else? Outfit Quest Night gameplay, Gmod Raceway gameplay, and Five Nights at Sonic's, and I think one more Five Nights at Sonic's 3 gameplay. So yeah. But look, anyways, please make sure to leave a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe to me for more games like this. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, and I'm out.